Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to get a disabled Instagram account back. To start the process, open your Google Chrome in your mobile device. Now search here, Recover My Instagram Account. Scroll down and tap on Disabled Instagram Account. Now read the instructions and tap on Visit this page. Then select the option of My account was disabled. Then tap on Next. Select the reason why your account has been disabled. Then tap on Next. Scroll down and tap on No. From here, select Other. Now type here, my lawyer has gone through all Instagram terms and services and claims that I haven't violated any of it. It was a false deactivation. Please reactivate my Instagram account, then enter your username. After that, tap on Submit. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.